Hello everyone. Today, I will talk to you about something very important in math, the properties of real numbers. Real numbers are all the numbers we use every day. These include whole numbers, fractions, decimals, positive numbers, negative numbers, and even special numbers like the square root of 2 and the number pi. There are 5 main rules that help us work with real numbers. These rules make solving problems easier and help us understand math better. First, the commutative property. This rule says that changing the order of 2 numbers does not change the answer. It works for both adding and multiplying. For example, if you add 3 and 5, or 5 and 3, you get the same result. The same thing happens when you multiply. Second, the associative property. This rule says that grouping numbers in a different way does not change the result, as long as the numbers are being added or multiplied. For example, if you add 2 and 3 first, then add 4, you get the same answer as if you add 3 and 4 first, then add 2. Third, the distributive property. This rule helps when we multiply a number by a group of numbers added together. You can multiply the number with each part separately, then add the answers. For example, if you multiply 2 with the sum of 3 and 4, it's the same as multiplying 2 with 3 and 2 with 4, and then adding the results. Fourth, the identity property. This rule shows that some numbers do not change other numbers when used in math. When you add 0 to a number, the number stays the same. When you multiply a number by 1, the number also stays the same. Fifth, the inverse property. This rule is about undoing a number. If you add a number and its opposite, the result is 0. If you multiply a number by its flip version, like 1 over that number, the answer is 1. This works only if the number is not 0. In conclusion, these 5 rules, commutative, associative, distributive, identity, and inverse, help us understand how numbers behave. They are the building blocks of many ideas in math. If you know these, math becomes easier and more fun. Thank you for listening.